बहुत खुश है कि क्योंकि जो आईफा हमारे देश का बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड है और न्यूयॉर्क में जाके हम लोग ये अवार्ड रखे हैं एंड परफॉर्म करने वाले बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट हैं उधर, सलमान खान, कटरीना कैफ, आलिया भट्ट, AR रहमान, शाहिद कपूर, सैफ अली खान, करण जौहर। तो मुझे तो बहुत खुशी मिल रही है सब
सुशांत
का नाम
है,
लिया है।
So now you have to name everybody. Then say इनका नाम ले लिया. I don't know. This is it.
और जितने भी लोग हैं उनके साथ मुझे
आलिया।
बहुत खुशी मिल रही है जाके बोल दिया।
Sushant.
But especially to be with Saif and Karan is a great joy. I've seen Saif hosting on stage and I think he's the wittiest and one of the best hosts we have. And Karan, so I owe my career to him, so I think, and he is very talented.
Oh, you are here.
So mate,
हेलो जी जी
yeah.
तो आई थिंक वो चैलेंज ज़रूर होगा हमारे लिए, ताकि इसका ये मतलब होगा कि हमें बहुत अच्छी तरह रिहर्स करनी होगी ताकि हम एग्जैक्ट दैट वी गोइंग लाइव, सो वी हैव टू बी मोर प्रेप. एंड आई थिंक यू नो क्या होता रहता है, और हमेशा मेरा ये सजेशन भी था कि नॉर्मली जब लोग होस्ट को लेते हैं तो दे गो वेरी गैग हैवी. तो मैंने कहा कि उसको इस बार मैंने ये सजेस्ट किया है कि वी शुड लीव द गैग्स टू द परफॉर्मिंग एक्टर्स.
Excellent.
एंड वी शुड कीप इट वेरी
Straight and to the point.
yes,
and
to
get
the
on.
point and move
So
on.
we get on with it.
Yeah.
कि यू नो नॉर्मली होस्टिंग पे बहुत ज़्यादा एम्फेसिस होता है, एंड आई डोंट थिंक पीपल आफ्टर अ पॉइंट आर इंटरेस्टेड इन व्हाट वी आर सेइंग रादर देन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग ऑन स्टेज एंड डांस.
Yeah, no.
So we should not give ourselves too much importance and move on.
Get straight to it.
Didn't he just? Sorry, I'm trying to see the difference between the two questions.
He's fooling.
Okay, sorry.
No, so
It's like really similar.
I'm giving a tribute to my father, but besides that, what I also I'm doing is I'm going to be performing at Times Square, which is a big
Also?
yeah. The day before at Times Square, they're going to have this full IFA Mela and they're going to get these storm dancers. So that
lovely,
I
lovely.
felt that'll be a
It's
huge.
huge.
That'll be
That's-
amazing.
So I'm going to do some songs like of
Good for
Badri
you, that heat.
and some other films of mine over there.
Understanding the
And
heat
the
there.
next day at IFA, obviously with these two fine gentlemen. And yeah, Judva 2, I'm going to be launching Unchi Hai building over there, the new mix of that. And Tantana, there's some special plans for that. Which
Are
I
they
can't
similar
reveal.
songs, like
This-
with new lyrics, probably?
With new lyrics.
Genius. See, live तेरी बात है.
The tribute, obviously, we're going to start with
It's
Sonic.
great.
So, the movies
Love
coming
it.
right
Tower.
down to Main Tera Hero, and in between, obviously, there's Bol Radha Bol, there's Hero number 1, Coolie number 1, lot of different films, lot of his big tracks, What is Mobile Number, Just Chill, lot of these tracks.
Oh, that's quite a big song.
Afternoon, sir.
Sir, please, आप बोलिए. He said he'll only answer your question today.
I think the performances and the awards and people winning it, and I think the event is a big one, you know. We used to do a lot of shows in America in the past and they seem to have become less and less, and now a big quality event like this with so many stars, talented people dancing, hosting, people winning awards, you know, and I think it's a good chance for like the people that love our Indian movies in the audience to kind of interact with us, and it's a really nice live event. It's a good cultural event actually.
Any award function in India or abroad is incomplete without Mr. Karan.
Well, the industry is incomplete without him. The film industry is incomplete without him.
Yeah.
So
But
it's
I'm not
always-
going anywhere.
Inshallah, don't tempt fate.
होना लाजमी रहता है मेरा
बिल्कुल.
हर अवार्ड फंक्शन में अलग अलग पोस्ट करना है कैसा अनुभव रहता है
It's a very
Actually,
honest question.
It is a great question.
It's been interesting actually. जब मैं AV देख रहा था अंदर तो मुझे पता चल गया जो पहला शो मैंने होस्ट किया था was for Filmfare Awards in the year 2000. तो मैं 17 साल से होस्ट करते आ रहा हूँ.
Wow.
So I've been hosting for 17
What
years
age
now.
did you first time?
2000. It
How
was the
old were
film.
you?
I was
30.
I was 28.
No.
I was 28 years old. So I've been hosting for 17 years. अनुभव हमेशा बहुत अच्छा रहता है. I enjoy it. जब मैं स्टेज पे रहता हूँ तो I really enjoy the experience.
Are you Anubhav? Are you Anubhav? Who's Anubhav?
Who's Anubhav? He's asked the question. Anubhav.
Oh, sorry.
कैसा
Excuse
Anubhav?
So that's a joke. That's what you expect. Okay, like, all right.
Sorry. So जैसे मैं कह रहा था तो it's been an amazing journey of hosting.
14-15 में
कब
16 तारीख को.
There's something else as well on the 16th. A cricket match. But Katrina's birthday, is it?
16.
Her 16th birthday.
No, it's on the 16th.
What are you saying? This is my friend, okay?
No, but
We did Phantom together. Yes. Bahubali.
But
The real Bahubali. Bahubali. What do you mean? The
I was
industry
just-
is incomplete without Karan Johar. He's one of the arteries in the blood flow of this industry. Throbbing.
Maybe command of language or overall experience for 17 years or add something confident.
I really don't know. I'm happy to get a job every year. I have no idea.
You've taken some classes.
Hosting
Classes?
Rokada.
When you that
Public
obviously helps him,
speaking.
but you said like when you speak to an audience, you had taught us this.
Yeah.
And you,
Keep your hands like that. That's because I had a problem with my hands.
But you did some elocution.
No,
or what
public speaking I done, but I don't know what the quality is. I think just when you're there, you have to
Charm.
Charm. You have to play to the gallery, and you have to like the people always take the word host and think and treat themselves like movie stars
an
or
incubator
entities.
of a disease.
But when you're really
Isn't that what it is?
no.
Right?
Host.
Yeah, the host. Like alien and all. Where's the host?
Oh, what I mean is
Current service said that expert says that okay, people should always believe in rewards and awards. So what is your personal take on it?
Believe in reward or award.
I think like you believe what you want.
no. As I said, it's great to win it when you win it, and when you lose it, you shouldn't care. It's
But I think it's important to celebrate it together, Like even when you don't win it, it's nice to clap.
Clap
Because
for other people.
there's nothing better than winning something in front of your colleagues. But if there are no colleagues,
Sorry.
Prabhas has been launched into the stratosphere. Oh, wait, where are you? Launched? It's a bit rude.
Congratulations.
India's national sport, hockey,
Hockey, Congratulations. to
And let's not talk about cricket anymore.
But well played to get into the finals.
Yes. See, both of us, both Shah Rukh and I, somewhere are in Karan's, writing style. So you have two in, one.
I'm that aloo, no? I fit in.
I think Karan should make a film again with Saif and Shah Rukh because I loved Kalon.
I love hosting with Shah Rukh also. I think
Yeah,
he's
he's
so clever
amazing,
and
so
brilliant,
witty.
and but maybe in the future sometime.
He's upset.
Why? Yeah. One sec. Oh. Oh, that was in Hindi. Didn't we just do this? Sorry, what? That was someone else. What?
No, they said that the new.
Yes. Go on. Yes, I said read the script. That's always good. Nobody gets that. Okay. No, nothing. I think Sarah's a very bright girl. She's well educated and she's got a nice mind to her. She's humble and she's got lots of well wishers around her, from her mother to me to Karan to everybody. So she should ask for advice from any of us if she needs it. And very good luck to her. I'm very happy that she's doing something that she's passionate about. It's a beautiful job and she's very lucky to have it.
ट्रेलर
That's okay. Now that will be that's fine. She's reached the temple, but
Last question. Is it last question? It's very dangerous to improvise. Yes, because you don't know where you've gone then. Then the other person can look at you and say,
He doesn't know what
now what?
no, I mean you can minorly improvise as long as you follow the order. You can.
I just lie down there. Yeah, it's all yours. I'll have a coffee and come back. You improvise a little bit, but in between the blueprint. The love and the oh my god. Karen, the love and the oh my god. And the daddy.
Daddy.
Yeah, the daddy.
Hint.
It's pretty obvious. It's like, oh my God,
Well,
daddy love.
You think of God, He gives you love, and that love made me a daddy. That's my thought.
And one thing मैं बहुत दिनों से मेरी इच्छा थी
हाँ पूछ लो
आफ्टर ड्रेसेस पहनने को जैकेट्स वगैरह वो आपने शुरू अपने आप ही
डिस्ट्रॉय किया है,
मैंने क्या किया है?
डिस्ट्रॉय किया लोगों को, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. हैव यू गिवन कैमोफ्लेज जैकेट्स टू पीपल?
Hiding in plain view.
हैव यू?
मैं बहुत फ्लैटर्ड हूँ कि आप मेरे फैशन सेंस के बारे में आपने इतने ध्यान से नोटिस किया और ऑब्जर्व किया है. नहीं मैंने किसी को
I
नहीं
love
दिया.
Play on space.
Yeah.
अरे नो थैंक यू थैंक यू गॉड ब्लेस थैंक यू.
Thank you guys.
What a good fun, yeah? Yeah, come on.
No.
कहाँ देखे? तो हुआ भी पोजिंग को हाँ.
आप भी आ जाओ.